Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to show recent stories in Instagram lately highlights. So let's start. This is new option from Instagram. So just go to your profile and then you will find the highlights. Here on the highlight, this is normal, the highlight, you can share your stories. And then you have this option that says lately. So just click there and you will find automatically the stories from the last 7 days. So you can also always remove the stories you don't want to include. And you can hide or show the lately highlight on your profile anytime. So if you want to activate, just click on show on profile in this way. So now when you share a story, you will share here on the highlights after the story will be delayed or past the 24 hours. Here on the highlights will appear the 7 lately. So that's the way to do it. So I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.